Welcome to my Dead Muffin Art channel. Creating a notepad at home is a fun and creative way to make personalized stationery, especially if you want something cute. You need materials like colored or plain paper, cardboard for the clear cover, glue or padding compound for binding the pages, binder clips or clamps, decorative items like stickers, markers, washi tape, etc. Scissor or a paper cutter ruler. Choose the size you want for your notepad standard size. Use a paper cutter or scissor to cut multiple sheets of paper into the same size. Use binder clips or clamps to hold the paper stack together. Thanks for watching this video.